Hello and welcome to Full of Food. If you have a Ninja air fryer, this video is a must-see. We've compared the air fry and bake function to make chips and see if there really is a difference. A full list of ingredients, basically just potatoes and oil, is in the description. So let's get on and see which one was better. So I lied, there's a little bit more to it. I've got some potatoes here. These are red potatoes and I've cut them into chips of equal sizes so I can compare air fry to bake. I'm using olive oil. You could use the oil that you choose, some salt and pepper, and I am going to add a little bit of paprika. I love to add that to my chips because it just makes them a little bit spicy. So really simple. Make sure that you pop your oil onto those potatoes. Season with some sea salt and some pepper, and then, like I said, a little splash of paprika I think just really makes them stand out from other chips. And make sure they're coated. So this is the tip here, is to get your hands in and make sure they're really coated. So I'm using my Ninja Joule here so I can compare in one side on the left the air fry and on the right the bake function. So get those chips into your air fryer. They're roughly the same size, so they should give us a good comparison. And then I'm going to pull them out every 2 minutes to show you how they get on. Now I found, whilst I was making this size chips, that I cooked for about 12 minutes, but it depends on how thick or thin your chips are. So here we go. This was after 2 minutes. So all that's happened here is the oil has started to get nice and warm. I did also preheat this Ninja Joule for 3 minutes, and that really helps. So after another 2 minutes, we'll take a look. So remember, on the left is air fry, on the right is bake. So we can see they're starting to go a little bit golden now, especially on the left hand side, which is your air fry. So pop them back in. And we're going to do another 2 minutes and then have a check. So pull them out, and you can really see a bit of a difference here now, because on the left is our air fryer and on the right is the bake. And the air fry ones are definitely starting to crisp up a little bit quicker than the bake ones. Of course, bake would be what you do in your oven normally. So another 2 minutes and we've got our lovely chips. Just have a little look and a feel. What we want, of course, is that nice crispy outside, and then we want it to be cooked through. So like I said, depending on how thick you do your chips, you need to put the timing right. So you can see a definite difference there. On the left, that air fry. On the right, that bake function. So the air fryer is much better, that function, than cooking your chips. So in a way, this is comparing to a normal conventional oven. So left there, air fry, nicely cooked in the middle, right there, baked. And these Maris Piper potatoes that I use come out really nicely. So yeah, you can see that's lovely and cooked on the inside. And then with the baked one, it's cooked. It's not bad, but it's not as good as the air fry. So next time you're doing chips, make sure you use your air fryer. It definitely gives a better chip, and add that little bit of paprika just to make them really stand out.